2019 Maserati Quattroporte V8, 2019 Maserati Quattroporte GTS exhaust, new cars by. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming Maserati brand. The title of the article we take is 2019 Maserati Quattroporte V8, 2019 Maserati Quattroporte GTS exhaust, new cars by. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2019 Maserati Quattroporte V8, 2019 Maserati Quattroporte GTS exhaust, new cars by. There are a lot of interesting and amazing cars that's going to arrive on the market in the next year, but if you combine those great things you'll get perfect car. Well, new 2019 Maserati Quattroporte is just that. Maserati is keen to make awesome car and we think that now, they've hit jackpot. Let's see what is so special about new Quattroporte. We prepared this review so you can be closer with this car and so you can get more information about it. 2019 Maserati Quattroporte redesign, changes, specs. When you're having this kind of car, you know that you're getting some level of luxury with it. This new 2019 Maserati Quattroporte will give you most amazing level of luxury that you can imagine. First thing you can see is how great shape this car has. It is designed to be useful and to look really nice at the same time. That is something that Maserati's designers really know how to do. In addition to his great shape, you know that his weight won't be too much. To be honest, it's going to be even reduced when we compare him with his predecessor. You can be thankful to the finest materials that's going to be used in the chassis for that. There aren't some specific changes on new 2019 Maserati Quattroporte this time. Looking at his previous generation, we must say that there is no actual need to create some drastic changes. They have remained his wide headlights which are perfect for this kind of car. Next to it, we can see bigger grille. That grille is made using nothing but chrome. With it, it shines better than ever. On the sides of new Quattroporte, we can spot some new lines and larger air vents. They're saying that the engine could be stronger than before. We just love that in new Quattroporte. 2019 Maserati Quattroporte interior style, design, materials. When it comes to the interior design of new 2019 Maserati Quattroporte, we expect nothing but greatest. That means there will be so much perfect materials used. Besides that, everything inside is created so you can enjoy every second you spend inside. To do that, Maserati's engineers and designers surely had so much sleepless nights. But, it was worth it. The result is obvious. The cabin of new Quattroporte looks more than perfect. Every detail, even the smallest one, is placed exactly on the position where it should be placed. The instrument board is really something. Now, it features less buttons than before. That can make new 2019 Maserati Quattroporte looks like it is ready for the future. The touch screen is placed higher on the instrument board and through it, you can control almost every function that's going to be installed. The rest of the functions can be controlled using nothing but the power of your own voice. We must say that new Quattroporte will be released with so many new features, but some of the best are connecting ones. You should know that there will be both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay systems available. We know that the customers can't resist those amazing features. 2019 Maserati Quattroporte engine, power, top speed. The most important thing about new 2019 Maserati Quattroporte is definitely his engine unit. This time, we can tell you only about the basic engine unit. That is simply because Maserati's officials want to reveal only that engine unit. That will be 3.0-liter V8 twin-turbocharged petrol-powered engine. Using this one, new Maserati will be supplied with the 404 horsepower and with 400 pounds-per-foot as torque amount. This is more than amazing engine unit. This engine will work in pair with 8-speed automatic transmission system. What is sure about this engine and its gearbox is that it can transfer all the power to the front two wheels only. AWD mode still isn't announced for new Quattroporte. The performances speaks for itself. New Quattroporte can reach from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5 seconds flat. Top speed of new Quattroporte is estimated to be around 180 miles per hour, which is more than amazing. 2019 Maserati Quattroporte price and estimated arrival date. As you know, new 2019 Maserati Quattroporte is one of the most luxury sports sedans available on the market. Therefore, his price is estimated to be $280. His release date is set to be May 2019. Thanks.